Have formatting mistakes ever cost you valuable points on one of your academic papers? Me too. That's why I made this video. I'm going to break down the formatting for an MLA style academic paper into 5 simple steps. You can follow along now and use them to create perfectly formatted papers every time. Stick around to the end for a bonus tip that could save you from last-minute citation disasters. Ready? Let's dive in. Step 1. First things first, let's talk about general formatting. Make sure to use US letter paper size, 8.5 by 11 inches or 22 by 28 centimeters. Set your margins to 1 inch on all sides. Use a legible font, something like Times New Roman in a 12-point size. And don't forget to use a header that displays your last name and the page number in the top right corner of every page. Step 2. Now we can move on to the first page and title block. In the top left corner of your first page, list your name, your instructor's name, the course, and the date. Remember to double line space these lines. After that, create a centered title for your page using standard capitalization. Don't underline, italicize, or use quotation marks for your title unless it includes a title within the title. A common mistake people make in MLA formatting is their in-text citations. Step 3, let's dig into in-text citations. In-text citations are crucial for giving credit to the sources you've used in your paper. In MLA style, you need to use the author page number format. This means including the author's surname and the page number in parentheses immediately after the quote or paraphrase, without a comma to separate. For example, Smith 45 in parentheses. Many people forget to include the page number and mistakenly include the publication year because this is typical of many other style guides formatting rules for in-text citations. Another common error is not correctly formatting your citation when the author's surname is already mentioned in the sentence. In such a case, only the page number needs to be included in parentheses. For example, Smith argues that results were significant, 45. These seemingly small mistakes can dramatically affect the credibility of your paper and make it hard for readers to locate the sources you've cited. So let's not make this mistake. Double check all of your in-text citations to ensure they adhere to the MLA formatting guidelines. Step 4, at the end of your paper, create a separate page with the title Works Cited. If you're more familiar with other referencing styles, you can think of this as the reference list. It's here that you'll list all of the sources you've cited in your paper alphabetically by author's last name. Each entry should be double-spaced and use a hanging indent, meaning that the first line of every entry is flush to the left margin and every subsequent line is indented by ½ inch. The basic format for a book citation looks like this: author's last name, comma, first name, full stop, title of the book, full stop, publisher, comma, publication date. And finally, step 5, proofread your paper for any grammar, punctuation, or formatting errors. This is crucial for maintaining a polished and professional appearance. Check that each of your in-text citations matches your works cited page, and ensure that your paper is consistently formatted according to the MLA guidelines that we've covered in this video. Here's the bonus tip I promised you at the start of the video, which could save you from last-minute citation disasters. While working on your paper, keep track of your sources using a citation management tool like Zotero, Mendeley, or EndNote. These tools can automatically generate MLA formatted citations and help you organize your sources. This will make it much easier to create your works cited page when it's time to wrap up your paper. Plus, they can save you a ton of time and stress when those deadlines are looming. Explore these tools, find which one works best for you, and let me know in the comments which you find most useful. And there you have it, 5 simple steps to correctly format your MLA style academic paper. If you found this video helpful, it would be great to hear from you in the comments. A like and a share will go a long way to helping other students and academic professionals find this video. Don't forget, subscribe to the channel for more weekly tips to help improve your academic work. Your writing, proof.